How to secure your Twitter account. To secure your Twitter account, you should enable two-factor authentication, create a strong and unique password, and regularly review your privacy and security settings. By implementing these protection measures, you can significantly lower the risk of hackers gaining access to your account. In order to enable two-factor authentication, you open the Twitter app on your device, tap the initials from the top right corner of your screen, go to settings and privacy from the list, and here you want to go to privacy and safety. When you go to privacy and safety, you should be able to locate two-factor authentication. If not, you could go to security and account. So here you have security, then you could go to two-factor authentication, and there you have ID verification as well, and then you could also add in additional password protections. Once you've enabled these options, or once you've actually done it, so or you just need to tap on two-factor authentication underneath, you go ahead and make changes, or you go ahead and add a protection layer, and this way you'll be able to set up your two-factor authentication on your Twitter account. After which, you could also manage your password. You could create a strong and a unique password, use a unique password, change your password regularly. That can also help you out to protect your account as well. So basically, these are some of the steps you should be able to secure your account. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.